as promised, ito na ang comparison na inaantay nyo. Si Hawas Ice versus Aza Iceberg. Alright, so bakit nga ba natin sila pinagko-compare? Si Hawas Ice kasi is the same as Aza Iceberg based on the feedback that I've seen on the social media pages that I've been browsing through, and as well as dun sa mga review na nakita ko. Alright, so malalaman natin kung ano ba ang mas preferred natin sa dalawang to, ano ba yung kanilang similarities, at saka kung ano yung kanilang difference. Alright, so let's go ahead and spray Aza Iceberg on my left wrist. Okay, sa dalawang spray. And then let's go ahead and spray Hawas Ice on our right wrist. Okay, alright, dalawang spray. Okay, let's do a little shake and let's see. Aza. Ayan. Mas medyo amoy ko yung apple ni Aza. Alright. Okay, ito. Ito yung kanilang difference, I think. Medyo mas plummy itong si Hawas Ice. Malapit na malapit. Kasi sobra. Yeah, yun lang talaga yung difference. May pagka-bubblegum sila parehas. Mas sweeter ng konti si Aza. Okay. Mas sweeter ng konti. Tapos si Hawas Ice mas plummy. And yun nga, may pagka-bubblegum. Hirap. Ang hirap differentiate. Pero yun nga, mas malakas ng konti si Aza in terms of the projection. And then yung scent niya talagang yun, amoy na amoy mo yung kanyang apple, yung pagka-citrus, yung meron din siya konting pagka-plum, and sweeter nga siya overall. Okay, now si Hawas Ice, yun, amoy mo yung kanyang pagka-plum, alright, and then yung pagka-musky and yung kanyang pagka-bubblegummy, pero konti lang, alright. So I think in use case scenarios, if you are into, lalabas ka sa initan and gusto mo talagang maamoy, this one is more performing. I think this is something that you can also use pagka yung area or location is kinda open, versus this one, ito pwede mo mas magagamit mo siya sa mga closed environments like your office, your classroom, yung mga ganang mga bagay. Kasi nga, ang lakas na ito ni Aza mag-project. Ang lakas ng kanyang scent profile, and then silage, and versus Hawas Ice na medyo toned down. Just versus this one, alam ko si Hawas Ice, ang lakas din ng projection nito. Pero versus this one, grabe, ang lakas. Mas malakas talaga siya in terms of Hawas Ice. Yeah. So, alright. Now, in terms of the price, si Hawas Ice ngayon, umabot na siya ng more than 2,000 pesos. And then si Aza Iceberg, as of the last time that I've seen it available online, max or highest price niya is around 1,200 pesos. Okay? So, yun. It just boils down to which one is your preference. Kung mas matamis, mas gusto mo yung apple. Okay? Aza Iceberg. Now, kung gusto mo naman more on the plum scent, pagka-bubblegummy, and of course, si Hawas Ice. Okay. For me, personally, hirap. Grabe. I think I'd rather go with Aza. Mas maganda yung kanyang projection, mas amoy yung apple, and when it comes to the dry down, yun, amoy ko na yung pagka-bubblegummy at saka yung kanyang plum. So eventually, pag nag-dry down sila parehas na talaga sila. I mean, it's gonna be very hard to differentiate side by side silang dalawa. Okay? So, yan na muna. Kung may katanungan kayo in terms of the perfumes that I'm holding right now, in terms of the performance and other things that I might not have mentioned during this comparison, let me know in the comment section down below. Okay? So, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks so much. Bye!